for the time being, Hormuz, he goes through all those big volume movers and whether or not they have some delivery-based buying or selling. Hormuz, good morning. Fill us in with the list.
Good morning, Nigel. Wish you a very happy birthday as well. And, some of the names that you talk about in this list today, it's not too bad losing a race after all. And that Aurobindo Pharma's shareholders proved that yesterday with the stock. Of course, it's not confirmed reports for sure, but the stock was up the most since June of 2024 last year, 5.5% higher there. The volumes on the stock were the highest since April of this year. Almost 60 lakh shares changed hands, 20-day average of 13 lakh shares. And even the delivery-based buying, 18 lakhs, almost 17 lakh shares marked for delivery compared to a 20-day average of just around 6.5 lakh shares. But of course, the stock has been an underperformer this year, down 18% so far, despite this move in yesterday's session. Fedbank Financial Services, it came out in that late 2023 IPO rush. It was, barely made it through in terms of subscription as well. Yesterday was up 7.5%, and it was the second best day since the stock had since its listing. And because of this, it has closed above its IPO price for the first time since December of 2023, which is just a few days after its listing. And despite it being at a 52-week high, the stock is just 9% above its IPO price. The Thursday's volumes were highest since November of last year. 60 lakh shares traded compared to a 20-day average of close to 10 lakh, and almost half of that, or 27 lakh shares, were marked for delivery compared to a 20-day average of 4.5 lakh. Now, Greenpanel Industries is another one, the biggest single-day gain in 6 years yesterday. The highest ever volumes in a single trading session for the stock. 2 crore shares traded yesterday. 20-day average is just 85,000, and 18 lakh shares were marked for delivery. 20-day average is only 54,000. But despite this, of course, it has managed to trim some of its year-to-date losses, still down 12% for 2025. And another name, Tolins Tyres, seen some heightened trading activity in the last few trading sessions, particularly in the last 2 days when the stock has gone up 20%. Now, from its listing in September of 2024 till the 21st of August, the average daily traded volume on Tolins Tyres was around 2 lakh shares. Since the 21st of August, it has gone up to 5 lakh shares. Even yesterday, over 1.2 crore shares changed hands. 20-day average is 3.5 lakh, and 6.2 lakh shares marked for delivery, a 20-day average of just 94,000. And yesterday's turnover, which was well over 230 crore rupees, was 1/3 of its overall market cap, and still down almost 18% from its IPO price, which is around 226 rupees for Tolins Tyres.
Thank you very much for that.